Hi, everybody. So, for many of you, it's possible that English isn't your first language. When this happens, it's often the case that much of the basic math that you learned in grade school was taught using terms different from those used in English. With this in mind, you are now able to adjust your language settings in Sheets so that you can set up formulas using your preferred language instead of the default English. Today, we're going to demo this in Spanish by changing our language settings. So go to the File menu and select Spreadsheet Settings. At the bottom of this screen, under General Settings, you can change the display language. Click on English and you'll be taken to the language page. Click on Add New Language and choose Spanish. Now, if you've previously indicated to Google that you speak Spanish, it may show up here without you having to add it. This arrow here is what moves a language from this list to the primary language. Now I'm going to return to the previous page, save my settings, and then refresh my spreadsheet. Then the spreadsheet will load knowing that Spanish is the default language. Now I can enter formulas in Spanish and Google will recognize them and execute them properly. So say I want to know what 6 plus 2 is. I can enter equals valor 6 plus 2, and there you go. We have the sum. Now, if you wanted to sum a list, you could just type equals summa. And as you can see, you get a pop-up giving you all the information you need to understand the Spanish formula, just like you would in English. Then I'm going to select this list of numbers here, close my parentheses, and I'll get my sum returned to me. The good news about changing your language settings is that you can switch back and forth between Spanish and English. This is handy if you know some formulas in Spanish and some others in English. You do this by going back to File and selecting this option here. Then you'll see this box here, which is unchecked. If you check this box, you'll be able to only use formula names in Spanish, but because it's unchecked, watch what happens when I flip back to our spreadsheet. So to show you that I can use formulas in both languages, I'm going to go back to my settings and make English my native language again. Then head back to the spreadsheet and refresh everything. Now let's type in an English formula, equals sum 6 plus 2, and equals summa 6 plus 2. And the program recognizes both formulas, even though I've set my default language back to English. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you have any questions, just let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.